Have you heard the news that the Isle of Man are beginning to phase out 1p and 2p copper coins? Well, the good news is you still have the chance to get your hands on these coins while stocks last with the Isle of Man definitive coin set. From the 1p right up to the £2, these 8 definitive Isle of Man coins each feature significant themes from the island, such as the Santon War Memorial, which was unveiled in 1920 in memory of 6 men of the parish of Santon who lost their lives in the Great War. The Albert Tower, which was built to commemorate the royal visit of Prince Albert. A Manx shearwater seabird. A Manx cat, a breed that originated on the island. A longboat to mark the Viking era invasions. A Manx Logeton, which is a rare breed of sheep native to the island. A raven and a falcon, which feature on the Isle of Man coat of arms. The Tower of Refuge, a landmark built on the surrounding reef in 1832, which offered refuge to shipwreck survivors. Now, considering the recent news, these coins are more sought after now than ever, so click the link in the description box to get yours.